Hello, it's Cam at Motormike's Crewe showing you today this used Ford Puma EcoBoost ST-Line finished in black. This 2021 model comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front projector headlamps with LED daytime running lights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, and this car stands on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 5-spoke matte black machine finish design. This car features 450 litres of usable boot space capacity, making it a generous amount for a compact SUV. When making our way into the back of the car, we will find the partial premium Sensico black seats with the contrasting red stitching. The rear seats do contain ISOFIX points, and there is a magazine holder and storage tray for the backseat passengers to utilise. Upon entering the front, we see the same black and red contrasting design found on the dash and door, with the front seats continuing the same design as seen in the back, this time with additional side supports for extra comfort on longer journeys. Here is a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel with controls on the left for the cruise control and volume, and on the right for the virtual cockpit and voice options. The virtual cockpit itself does have different display options to best suit driver preference, including driving data, driving assistance, and entertainment systems. The main touchscreen infotainment system itself does include satellite navigation, as well as radio with FM and DAB. You can also access Bluetooth audio as well to allow for a hands-free telephone. Here's a look at the satellite navigation map view, and there is also a section for mobile apps. Below the infotainment system there is the climate control panel, which does include the options for the heated seats, which have varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. Below that is a storage tray for your phone, and when this car is put into reverse we will see the rear view parking camera located on the infotainment system as well. Finally, to the side of these seats are 2 exposed cup holders for the front passengers to utilise, as well as a storage pocket hidden underneath the armrest. Thank you for watching this video on this used Ford Puma ST-Line. For more information, please do not hesitate to get in touch with our sales team now.